Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to In the Shot. And today, we've got a very special treat for you. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes peek, how we create amazing solutions for our clients. All thanks to Daniel Mason's brilliant work. Let me give you some context. Every day we tackle a wide range of tasks, from helping users implement AI-driven workflows to assisting developers with their coding challenges. We're there to guide them through the complexities of the tech world, troubleshoot issues, and ensure they have the tools needed to bring their projects to life. And in this particular project, we were faced with quite the challenge. Our client came to us with a seemingly straightforward request: transcribe some audio files. However, what seemed simple on the surface quickly turned into a series of complex steps. The task involved downloading and setting up several tools, dealing with various dependencies, and ensuring everything works seamlessly on our Mac operating system. It was like a tech puzzle, and we were excited to take it on. The first step involved installing Homebrew, a package management system from macOS. However, when we tried to run the installation command, we encountered an error: command not found. This meant that the necessary tools for the installation were not accessible to our system. So we went ahead and followed the official Homebrew installation script. We used a combination of curl and bash to download the script, and then ran it in the terminal. After a few moments, the script completed successfully, installing Homebrew to our system. But our work was not yet done. The next step was to install Apple's Xcode command line tools. This is often a stumbling block for many users, and we knew that we had to get it right. Running the command line tools install threw an error, so we looked for an alternative. We found that using the brew install Xcode command line tools would do the trick. This command allowed Homebrew to download and install the Xcode command line tools onto our system. With the foundational pieces in place, we moved on to installing Fempeg. This is a powerful tool for working with multimedia files and is a key part of the project. Using the brew install Fempeg command allowed us to download and install Fempeg along with its many dependencies. These dependencies included dozens of multimedia-related tools, such as encoders like X264 and X265, image libraries like Web, and development tools like LLVM and Rust. With these dependencies installed, we were well on our way to creating a robust and versatile development environment. But the path to a successful installation is rarely straightforward. As we attempted to install Whisper, a tool for transcribing audio files, we ran into another issue. The pip install Whisper command returned an error message indicating that the required Python version was not found. This was due to a recent change, Python's default behavior with regards to external environments. Instead of relying on the system's default Python installation, we decided to create a virtual environment. We used the virtualenv command to create an isolated environment, allowing us to manage project dependencies without affecting the system-wide Python installation. However, our troubles were not over yet. When we tried to install Whisper in the virtual environment, we received an error message indicating that the required Python version was still not compatible with the current setup. This led us to downgrade to a more stable and supported Python version. Using Homebrew, we installed Python 3.11, a version known to be compatible with Whisper. Finally, we could proceed with installing Whisper. But as fate would have it, we ran into yet another issue. This time Whisper was installed, but attempting to run it resulted in an error due to a mismatch between the installed version of NumPy and the version required by Whisper. To resolve this, we used pip install to downgrade NumPy to a version that was compatible with Whisper. And there you have it. After overcoming numerous hurdles, we finally had a fully functional installation of Whisper, along with Fempeg, Python, and all the necessary dependencies. We were ready to transcribe our audio files and embark on whatever other challenges came our way. This entire process was not just about installing tools. It was a journey through the complexities of software dependencies on a Mac. It's a common scenario that many users face, whether they're setting up a development environment or trying to use a specific software tool. We hope that by sharing our problem-solving approach, we've given you some insight into how to tackle similar challenges. And hey, we know you're tired of wrestling with complex setups. It's frustrating and takes time away from what you really want to do. Whether it's transcription, video processing, or any other project, having a professional handle the setup can be a game changer. You'll save time and headaches knowing your systems are solid from the start. So if you need assistance with your tech, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Until next time, keep building, keep solving, and keep pushing through those challenges. And hey, if you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you're always in the shot when the next episode drops.